Lots of business owners are making 3 mistakes with their AI that are easily fixed. Let me talk you through them. Number 1, they are going straight to the tool rather than the task or the process. So there are loads and loads of AI tools out there. They all do fabulous things, but you're putting the cart before the horse by going straight to the tool. What you want to do is think about where are the tasks and what are the processes that you want AI's help to be able to do. Start with the process, then find the best tool to help with that. Number 2, business owners are starting every single prompt from scratch. Now, that's going to be way too time consuming for you. What you want to have is an AI prompt library, so you can pull pre-written prompts off the shelf, especially for your routine and repetitive tasks. And you also want to be prompt stacking so that rather than starting a prompt from scratch, you go back to a conversation that already exists, that already understands what it is that you want its help with, and you just then continue that conversation. And the third mistake business owners are making is not providing any guardrails or context to guide the AI's behavior. So guardrails are basically a set of rules to stop you looking stupid and to stop you getting in trouble with the output from the AI. Now, without guardrails, your AI will behave like a drunken intern. With the guardrails in place, they are going to behave like a well-trained assistant. All right, so there you have it. Don't start with the tools, start with the process. Don't write prompts from scratch. Pull them off a prompt library off the shelf and do a prompt stack. And thirdly, set up your guardrails so that there are rules that the AI will follow. For more AI tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel.